Hi, we are postgraduate students of Information Systems Management at the University of Ireland in Galway. In this video, we want to demonstrate how a contemporary information systems phenomenon could impact Galway, a fast-growing city, from a business and societal perspective. Hospitals are a crucial aspect of the modern society. However, the enterprise systems used in supporting patient care typically begin to add value from the point of diagnosis. On arrival at hospital, patients progress through a series of diagnostic questions and steps, which are subjective, potentially unreliable, and consume both time and resource. Hospital waiting times and misdiagnosis feature frequently in areas for improvement to patient care and incidence of mortality.
Salter Group manage Galway's hospitals. They plan greater investment to improve and standardise quality and operational effectiveness. They see this as critical to further the integration of their services. By investing in people and technology, they can improve the hospital's access to high quality and timely information.
Personal smart devices could be utilized for fast access of healthcare record databases. They can be used for remote monitoring, diagnosis, and analysis of health of users suffering from chronic illnesses and for advanced warning of medical emergencies, which will provide accident and emergency department to prepare for patient arrival. This will help us speed up process of diagnosis and admission in Galway's hospitals. Health monitoring systems can have significant role in reducing hospitalization, burden of medical staff, consultation time, waiting lists, and overall healthcare costs. They can be utilized not only for analyzing and monitoring the health data, but also help us in recognizing abnormalities in patients' health when they arise so that medical health professionals can take timely and appropriate action. Overcrowding in hospitals can result in an increased mortality rate of up to 30% according to a study conducted in 2006. Health monitoring systems can contribute to reduce overcrowding and thus reduce the mortality rate in the hospitals.
There are different types of wearable devices available, which are best suitable for specific purposes, from wrist-worn devices over belts worn on chests and ear-worn devices to t-shirts with biosensors integrated on garments. There are a lot of biosignals that can be measured by personal smart devices to detect a health state, including heart activity, temperature, and blood oxygen levels. To store or analyze the healthcare data, the measured signals have to be communicated to a central node of the device and eventually into the hospital's enterprise system. Therefore, different technologies can be used, like internet technologies, mobile communications, radio technologies, or the body area network.
At an infrastructure point of view, the seamless integration between wearable body area network and mobiles contribute to the richer patient-centric services. Wearable body sensors channelize patients' vital signals through data. This data is in turn collected from the base station and is transmitted over the internet from access points to hospitals via multiple cloud solutions like data centers and cloud controllers. Enterprise data breaches have given rise to an alarming urge for strong data leak prevention technologies. While some of the basic security measures like a strong firewall, intrusion detection, access control, and encryption of data exist, research on various machine learning solutions based on content of data and context of data enable organizations to detect confidential data that requires protection. Health data is highly sensitive. Without appropriate privacy protection, users may not be willing to expose their data, which would hinder the concept of automating and streamlining diagnosis and patient treatment in hospitals. There are different measures available to prevent information leakage and malicious attacks on different architectural levels, defending the capturing of data from the outside.
Our main findings are that personal smart devices are capable of measuring personal health data with a reliable accuracy. Data breaches are a risk, but security measures are existing. There's a strong need for improvement in treating incoming patients in hospitals, and hospitals are already planning to digitize processes. So the whole thing would be in alignment with their strategy.
Steps for further research could include defining the requirements for the use of personal smart devices to streamline patient flows, researching people's willingness to wear smart devices, investigate the potential barriers to the adoption of this technology in the healthcare sector, and conducting a cost-benefit analysis for the enterprise change in Galway's hospitals.